delivering a blend of precision and power. The Bosch GKF125CEPK variable speed palm router is engineered to offer unparalleled precision and power, equipped with a robust 1.25 horsepower motor. Its advanced electronics, coupled with high-performance bases and proven ergonomics, ensure a seamless experience for a variety of routing and trimming tasks. Unleashing abundant power, with a mighty 1.25 horsepower motor boasting 7.0 amps of power, this router doesn't hold back when it comes to routing and trimming applications. Its sheer strength makes light work of even the toughest tasks, promising efficiency and reliability. Innovative depth adjustment system. Featuring a groundbreaking fixed base depth adjustment system, this router guarantees precise depth adjustments, empowering users with ultimate control over their work. The rugged fixed base, crafted from 360 degrees non-split aluminum housing, accommodates bits up to 1 5/16 of an inch wide, ensuring versatility and stability. Seamless plunge action. The smooth action plunge base, equipped with a spring lock plunge control lever, simplifies plunge actions for effortless operation. Whether it's door hinges or intricate templates, this router excels in delivering clean and accurate results, thanks to its intuitive design and reliable performance. User-friendly design. The ergonomic palm grip design with soft grip features ensures comfortable handling, reducing fatigue during extended use. Additionally, the inclusion of soft start circuitry, variable speed dial, and constant response circuitry enhances user experience, allowing for precise control and consistent performance. Convenient accessories. Complete with a straight-edge guide and a durable carrying case, this combination kit offers added convenience for on-the-go professionals. The included accessories enhance versatility and ensure that users have everything they need for various routing tasks. User testimonials speak volumes. Users praise the router's power and ease of handling, particularly noting its effectiveness in tasks like roundovers and door hinge installations. The plunge feature receives accolades for its simplicity and efficiency, further cementing the router's status as a reliable tool for woodworking enthusiasts. Addressing minor inconveniences. While some users encountered minor inconveniences with the carrying case, such as noisy latches and misplaced packages, these issues were easily resolved. Despite such minor setbacks, users overwhelmingly appreciate the router's capabilities and its ability to outperform larger counterparts in detailed projects. Final verdict: a must-have tool for precision woodworking. From bowtie inlays to intricate templates, the Bosch GKF125CEPK variable speed palm router proves its worth as an indispensable tool for precision woodworking. Its lightweight yet stable design, coupled with exceptional power and precision, makes it a top choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. With this router in hand, the possibilities for creative woodworking projects are endless.